Go ahead, Kristen.
Thanks, Jen. Does the President support the bill just introduced by the Chairman of the House Judiciary Committee to add 4 seats to the Supreme Court?
Well, just last week, the President signed an executive order creating the Bipartisan Commission on the Supreme Court of the United States, a bipartisan group of over 30 constitutional and legal experts who are examining a range of questions about proposed potential reforms to the Supreme Court. And one of the issues they'll look at is, of course, the size of the court, but they'll also look at the court's role in the constitutional system, the length of service, the turnover of justices, and they're going to come back to the President with a report on what their discussions are and what their findings are. So he's going to wait for that to play out and wait to read that report.
So, I mean, this isn't just coming from some obscure member of Congress. This is coming from the Chairman of the House Judiciary Committee. So is the President, is the White House frustrated that Chairman Nadler perhaps didn't wait for this report from the commission that President Biden just called for last week?
No, the President believes that it's important to take a look at a range of points of view, whether they are progressive or conservative, different sets of legal opinions, and he looks forward to assessing that himself. And I expect he will not have more to convey about any recommendations or views he'll have until he reads that report. But he certainly understands that members of Congress have a range of views, and they're going to propose legislation. He may or may not support it.
So I just want to be clear here. The President does or does not think that this bill is premature?
He believes that members of Congress have the right to put forward legislation on issues they support. His view is that he wants to hear from this commission that has a range of viewpoints.
Okay, one more question. Senator Ed Markey, he just said this: we must expand the court and we must abolish the filibuster to do it. Is the White House comfortable with a Democratic senator explicitly linking those two ideas from the steps of the Supreme Court?
The President believes that in freedom of speech and that members can come forward and share their points of views on a range of issues, including the future of the courts. He has his own view, and he looks forward to seeing the recommendations that comes out of his court commission.